Something amazing is happening in Africa. The continent is slowly splitting apart. This process will take a very long time, millions of years in fact, but when it's finished, something extraordinary will happen. A new ocean will be born. This new ocean is forming along a giant crack in the earth. This crack is called the East African Rift Valley. It runs for thousands of miles, from Mozambique in the south to Ethiopia in the north. The rift is a sign of the incredible forces at work inside our planet. Scientists believe that this new ocean will eventually divide Africa into two separate landmasses. One landmass will include most of present-day Africa. The other will be a smaller continent made up of Somalia and parts of Ethiopia, Kenya and Tanzania. The East African Rift Valley is a truly awe-inspiring sight. It's a vast scar on the Earth's surface. In some places, the rift is thousands of feet deep. The valley floor is dotted with volcanoes, some of which are still active. The rift is a place of extremes. It's home to some of the hottest and driest places on Earth, but it's also home to a surprising diversity of life. Animals like elephants, lions, and zebras thrive in the grasslands and savannas of the Rift Valley. The East African Rift Valley is a geologist's dream. It's a unique place where we can see the Earth's tectonic plates pulling apart. By studying the rift, scientists hope to learn more about how our planet was formed. The Earth's outer layer, called the crust, is broken into several large pieces. We call these pieces tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving, although very slowly. They move about as fast as your fingernails grow. The East African Rift Valley is forming where two tectonic plates are moving apart. These plates are the Somali Plate and the Nubian Plate. As these plates slowly drift away from each other, the land between them thins and stretches. This stretching creates the Rift Valley. It also causes earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. These events are dramatic reminders that our planet is a dynamic and ever-changing place. Section 4. Visible signs of change. The formation of a new ocean is a slow process, but there are already visible signs of change in East Africa. The Rift Valley is getting wider and deeper. New cracks are appearing in the earth. Volcanic activity is also increasing. In recent years, there have been several major eruptions in the region. These eruptions are a sign that the Earth's molten core is pushing up towards the surface. In some places, the Rift Valley is already below sea level. As the rift widens, seawater will eventually flood in. This will create a new inland sea. Over millions of years, this sea will grow larger and eventually become a new ocean. Section 5. The future of Africa. The formation of a new ocean in Africa is a reminder of the immense power of nature. It's also a reminder that our planet is constantly changing. What will Africa look like in millions of years? It's hard to say for sure. One thing is certain, the African continent will be a very different place. The new ocean will change the climate and ecology of the region. It will also create new opportunities for trade and travel. The formation of a new ocean is a truly momentous event. It's something that has happened only a handful of times in Earth's history. We are fortunate to be alive to witness this incredible process unfold.